Welcome back guys. So this is my laptop MSI Modern 14. This is 8GB variant with single slot of maximum capacity 16GB with 2667 MHz, and by the time this 8GB memory became too less for me.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर.
So today I am going to upgrade this to 16GB, and for that I already have purchased this 16GB RAM stick, details of which you will see later in this video. Check description for links. If you love your laptop more than your skin, keep it on a soft surface like I did.
ये क्या बात करता है यार?
Make sure you have a suitable screwdriver for the screw on your laptop. For some reasons I don't have the exact one, so I will continue with whatever I had. Use the old debit card or anything similar to that to open the back panel of the laptop. However, in my case I have a sticker over here covering the edges of the panel, so I will have to remove it first using a sharp tool. Gently use a screwdriver in the starting and later on debit card in order to open the back panel. So here is the slot of our RAM which we have to replace, but before that do not forget to disconnect the power supply from the battery. So now we have disconnected the power supply and it's time to remove the old RAM stick. Gently push these metal clips aside to release the RAM. Now remove the RAM. Let's have a close look at the old RAM stick. Now let's unbox the new one. This is Crucial CT16 G4 SFRA 32A. Now in order to insert this to the RAM slot of the motherboard, strictly verify the location of cut on the RAM stick and slot are matching correctly or not. Now place it correctly at a slight angle first, and firstly gently push it inwards the slot, then after push it downside, and metal clips will automatically lock it. And connect the power supply from the battery to the motherboard. This is NVMe M.2 SSD with 512GB capacity. If you also wish to upgrade your SSD, you can do it from here. The back panel is too dusty because I never had opened or cleaned it before, so let's clean this quickly. Now it's time to put back the back panel. To do so, place it over the laptop and press at edges using your thumb from all the sides, and now put back the screws and tighten them. I am putting back the old RAM safely. In case if you want to purchase it, you can message me on Telegram. Details are given in description. Now let's test the laptop if we have done our job correctly or not. I have purchased this membrane from a site which sells the membrane with proper cuttings according to the individual keys. If you also want to purchase it, you can select your appropriate model from the site. Link is given in description, and if you use my coupon code RAJ308 at the time of checkout, you will get a discount of 10%. Let's press the power button. Nothing is happening. So let's plug in the charger and try again. This time on pressing the power button, it turned on but took too much time than usual for login window to appear.
A few moments later.
Finally it appeared, and let's log in. Let me first increase the brightness so that you can see the screen properly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. Go to the performance tab, and here you can see the details of the new RAM. It is showing 2667 MHz. This despite my RAM was 3222 MHz, because this is the maximum capacity supported by my motherboard. Well, thank you if you watched my video till this part. comment down the code word old RAM. If you type the word old RAM in comment section, I'll get to know you watched my video till now.